Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can customize reports or create new reports on accounting. To be able to create new report or customize, we need to go to report section. Here, for example, if you're looking at profit and loss report, this report is split by quarters and it is on accrual basis. So that means that once it's been recorded on system with the date, that will be reported on this profit and loss statement. So income and expenses. But if I'm business who uses cash accounting method, we can edit this profit and loss statement by going to these three dots and click edit. Here I can select basis at the bottom and change to cash and click save. So now if I go to profit and loss statement, these amounts have changed. So how we can create a new report? Click on new report at the top, add the name, profit and loss, select which report this relates to, so it is profit and loss, so it will pull that template for you. Description, I will say cash and monthly. Select an options, so for profit and loss there is only categories available, and select period. In my case it will be monthly, and basis I will say cash. So I want once money has been received or money been sent out paid by me, it will be reported because I'm using cash accounting method. But if you report based on when you actually issue or when you have received invoices, then use accruals method. So okay, cash accounting method, click save. Okay, so now this is my report. When I click on profit and loss, this report has been split now by months here, and my report are here with all details provided. So this is a way how you can edit or customize available reports, or how you can create your report on accounting. But if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as a review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.